Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting recipe that's Vietnamese fresh rolls, and let's get started. To make this Vietnamese fresh roll, you need a lot of fresh vegetables. I'll start with the carrots. These are the juliennes of carrots, lettuce cut into rough chops or slices. These are the juliennes of yellow and red bell pepper. These are the mung bean sprouts, and these are the cucumbers that are cut into juliennes, some cilantro and some mint leaves. I also have some firm tofu. This is not the soft tofu, it's a firm tofu that I've sauteed in a teaspoon of oil for a couple of minutes. And I have some mixed seasoning, some salt to taste, some red chili powder to taste, some lime juice, and these are the vermicellis that I'll be using in the fresh rolls. This is the rice paper with which I'll be making the fresh rolls. This is how it looks. I also have some ingredients to make the peanut sauce or the peanut dipping that will go well with this fresh rolls. So to make the peanut sauce, there are a few ways, but the way I'm going to show you is a very simple way that you can make in less than 5 minutes. This is the crunchy peanut butter, so you get that peanut crunch. I have a teaspoon of soy sauce, some honey, and some palm sugar or jaggery. You can also use brown sugar if you have brown sugar at home. Right now I do not have brown sugar at home, so I'm just using jaggery, but brown sugar also gives a very delicious flavor to this peanut sauce. So let's get started on how to prepare. So the first step that we want to do is add some boiling water to this vermicelli, or you can also boil this vermicelli in hot water, but I've just boiled some water and I'm going to pour this over this vermicelli, and in a few minutes the vermicelli should soften. Okay, so while we leave the vermicelli to soften, I'm going to make the peanut sauce. So let's make the peanut sauce. I have this peanut butter, and now I'm going to add the soy sauce to it, honey, and the brown sugar or the jaggery or palm sugar. So I mix everything together, and make sure you microwave this peanut sauce for about 10 to 15 seconds just to soften the peanut butter. Our delicious peanut sauce is now ready. So while our vermicelli is softening in this hot water, it'll take another minute or two. I'm going to make these really soft. These are the rice paper sheets that you can see. I'm going to add some warm to a little hot water on this plate, and I'm just going to dip this rice paper in this water so it softens. Give it about 10 seconds. While this rice paper sheet is softening, I'm going to strain this vermicelli and be back in a second. So you can see I've strained these vermicellis, and see, this is how it looks. You can also use glass noodles if you don't have vermicelli. And now let's check out this sheets that we dipped in water. As you can see, it's really soft, and I'm going to transfer it very carefully into the other plate. I'm going to add a lot of vegetables on this. First goes in the lettuce, and there are lots of vegetables here. They look so attractive. These juliennes that you can see of the bell peppers and the cucumbers, I've used a julienne peeler to chop these. So now I'm going to add the bean sprouts, some cucumbers, and this is the firm tofu that I've already sauteed in a little bit of oil. just to give a little bit of the crunch. And then to add some more freshness, I'm adding these mint leaves and some cilantro. And now what I'm going to do is add some mixed seasonings, a little bit of red chili powder, or you can also use the cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt because the mixed seasoning already has a little bit of salt. And to give a little more freshness, I'm going to add this lime juice. Okay, so after adding all the vegetables, I'm just going to pull this little bit and slowly roll this sheet. Just like you roll a spring roll. And I just roll this like this. And our first fresh roll is now ready. I'm going to place it here and make a few more fresh rolls. Another fresh roll is now ready. I made some fresh rolls with vegetables alone, and now I'm going to show you one fresh roll with the vermicelli as well. This is the vermicelli that we have, and I'm just going to add a little bit over here. And the fresh rolls are ready, and I'm going to serve it now. Our fresh, juicy and healthy Vietnamese fresh rolls are now ready, and I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and for more videos tune in till next time. Bye bye.